What's up guys, good afternoon here from Yangon, the big city here in Myanmar, otherwise known as Burma. And today I'm going to do the railway here in Yangon. There's a pretty notorious railway which is like a circle line which goes all around the city. It takes about 3 hours to complete it, and you're literally going through all the city. Maybe, who knows, I'll get off in some random places and check it out. This is my balcony, this is my accommodation, and it's a pretty raw view here. It's pretty cool. And yeah. So I'm here right in the middle of the city here. This part of Yangon where I am right now is super, it's really raw, man. And so now I'm gonna walk to Yangon Central Railway Station. That's where I'm gonna get this circular train around Yangon. Maybe a 2.5 kilometer walk, roasting hot, 35 Celsius, but I'm used to this sort of climate right now. So I'm gonna walk there right now. A lot of traffic this part of Yangon. All right, let's go. Alright guys, so the central railway station is down there, but the question is, how the beat do I get across this road? I mean, I'm just gonna have to wing it, right? Traffic around there is insane, and there's no like crossing it, this dude's running. I am precariously walking through the middle of the road here, and this is why I love these sort of countries, man. It's just a bit of adventure everywhere you go. Anyway, we made it across the road, still alive and kicking. So this is the railway station ahead. All right guys, so what you're looking at here is Yangon Central Railway Station. This was built by the British. If you don't know, Burma was colonized by the Brits from the Victorian era to about 1948, I think it was. And so you do see like quite a bit of British colonial architecture around the place. It's a pretty nice building, just a little bit dirty and I don't know, decrepit, but this is the railway station. Damn, there's a lot of people here, a lot of locals. Alright guys, so I've been told that the circular train is cancelled for 1 hour, which gives me an hour to just, I don't know, kill. Check out these kids here, just playing on the railway track. Imagine that in the West. Just imagine the outrage of a bunch of kids playing on the tracks. This is really interesting. I was walking past this train here and I saw the JR. And you'll see from my first vlog ever on YouTube, it was on the bullet train. And so I noticed the JR from the JR pass. And so it turns out these trains are built by Japan. You can see here a giant flag, Japan and Myanmar. So these trains here in Yangon are built by the Japanese, which is quite interesting, I thought. So I've just been told that the circle line's been closed for 6 months, but that's no problem. I'm still going to catch the railway around Yangon and try and see as much cool stuff as I can. I'll tell you what's fascinating about this place is you can just walk on the railway tracks. Right now, I'm on the railway. Check this out. I am just literally walking on these railway tracks here. I mean, can you imagine doing this in the West? Can you imagine what would happen? Police would probably be put in a mental asylum. I'm just like walking around, chilling on these tracks, not really caring. Yeah, man, this is Yangon, baby. So yeah, gonna catch the train probably about half an hour. Gonna show you some of the sights around here, some of the people, some of the cool stuff right now. Right guys, so apparently this is my train here. So let's now jump on, check it out. We are off and I am hanging on the side of the train. Yeah. To remind myself that one slip here and I'm dead. But you kind of, when you're in a place like here, you kind of just lose sort of sense of danger. Like literally, that's all that's keeping me on this train right now. Alright guys, that was a super cool experience catching the train through Yangon. My advice is don't get a taxi through Yangon, catch the train. It's not on time, it's not efficient, however you get to see a lot of really interesting stuff on that train. It's like the raw, I hope I've conveyed that for you, like quadruple raw side of Yangon. Much better than getting around by taxi because you really do feel it. But talking taxis, I'm gonna get a taxi back now to my hostel and get some pretty cool shots on the way back to my hostel of Yangon, because it's probably about a 20-minute drive. Super cool, man. Should I just go and walk on the tracks one more time? Yeah, man. So yeah, let's head back and get the taxi, man. And I have no idea what's going on down here, but we have maybe 50 people just like burning stuff on the railway. You can see you have this abandoned railway train here, and then just a bunch of people. I'm gonna get my phone out and zoom in. There's a couple of guys doing construction work. I don't know. It's just like just a fascinating. I don't know what's going on. Alright guys, that's this vlog wrapped up. Super cool day, loving Yangon, great place, great people, great fun. So like, comment, subscribe, share if you want to. More to come from Yangon, more to come from Myanmar, more to come from the world. Peace out.